In this video I'm going to show you how to get Google Play Store on the Nintendo Switch. First go to the top left, select User, press A. Here scroll down to the user settings, then go to the right, scroll down and scroll all the way down to here, social network posting settings, press A. Then press A again. Then here go all the way down and here in the small letters select Facebook Lite. Then select here Google Play. And if we go here to games, you see we are now here in the Google Play Store. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.